All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:54 on the morning of July 12th, 2022, and this is my pre-market strategy session. And so today, there's the saying that goes, never short a dull market. And this might seem like a dull market to a lot of people because volume has fallen off of a cliff. Let's go over here. Let's see. I'll use the Qs as an example because I trade the Qs so often. Let's see. Where's my volume bar? There it is. And so volume, has really settled down quite a bit here. Let's see. Between, I guess September. Yeah. So in recent weeks here, volume has been quite elevated, and now volume seems to have really kind of settled down quite a bit. And there's that old saying, "Sell in May and go away." And so the summer months are usually really quiet. They are like June, July. It's usually really quiet on the market. It's true. It's just that the only reason that I'm willing to continue to go short on after a move to the top end of the range is because of the VIX. Now the VIX, let's pull the VIX up here. The VIX is in the mid 20s. Until the VIX falls down below 20, really, I'm not willing to get long anything. So if we start breaking back down into the 20s on the VIX, or below the 20s and into the teens, I'd be really surprised. I'd be really surprised to see that happen. And then stay there. If it breaks down that far, I'm guessing that it's just going to be an opportunity to go short, big time. If it breaks down below 20, then it'll be worth. It'll be. I'll throw overweight into a short on the market. So for right now, though, I am waiting today for a good opportunity. It looks like the Qs are trying to open. They're working on going into oversold at the open. So my guess is, and this is just a guess, is that there's going to be some initial buying at the open, and then it's going to sell off. And 292.08 is a significant number. For whatever reason, I've forgotten exactly. But I don't think it goes much higher than that. Everything bounced, as of 2 days ago, everything bounced off the top end of its range. So you can see here the SPX, it came off the top end of its range here on the 8th of July. Is now pulling back. And typically what happens is, you can kind of see here, it goes to the bottom of the range, comes back up, hits the top, goes to the bottom, hits the top, goes to the bottom, hits the top, da-da-da-da-da-da. So the most logical thing to do here is to look for a short entry for, as the SPX or the S&P 500 makes its move back down to the bottom end of the range after it's hit the top end of the range. It doesn't have to be that way. This could be a pullback for another move higher. You just don't know. Who knows? You know what I mean? But generally speaking, the trend is your friend. The trend is really quite obviously in the down direction, and trading in the direction of the trend will give you a much more, will give you a higher probability of profits than trading contrarian to the trend. And so, that's kind of it. Let's see. Let's go to the daily here. Tesla took a big hit yesterday. There are a few things that came off the top end of its range here. Like Tesla came off big time off the top end of its range right here. What else? Amazon. What did Amazon do? Amazon couldn't quite make it to the top end of its range, and it's starting to pull back a little bit. The consumer, the XLY, everything looked pretty much the same yesterday. It was a good day to go short yesterday. Today, I don't know. It was definitely a good day yesterday to do it. Today, the odds are in your favor to go short, but there are no guarantees. When it comes off the top end of the range like that, that's definitely a good time to short. Now, there's higher probability to the downside. According to the risk ranges, there's a higher probability to the downside than to the upside. That's about as good as I can do for today. So I'll be pulling my risk back a bit and taking profits quickly on a day like today. All right, good luck, everybody. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you on tomorrow morning's strategy session. I am out.